Hello everybody, welcome back to RV Swapshop, and today we are with a Cherokee by Forest River here. We'll walk around this unit. You see this thing does have two slide outs, and our big work for this unit is the floor has started to rot and needs to be repaired and fixed. It's going to be a big job where you're going to get to see the slide outs will be taken out. And we're going to go take a first look here. Okay. See here, it's already starting to be gutting out the slide. You can zoom in here, you can see there's the mold. All that's going to have to be redone. We'll redo the flooring. You can see over there. So this is our first look. See how things are being taken apart. The bedroom slides also going to be taken out. We'll get to there. Alright, we're going to come back and we keep on watching the work being done here. Seeing the good work being done here at RV Swapshop. Okay, we're back to take another quick look at the Cherokee here. We're looking at this stuff here before. We saw with the floor there that's going to have to be replaced. But also on this slide, I wanted to point out here is look at the roof here. All this got damage and is having to be ripped up and going to be replaced. So take a short look and make sure we don't miss out on any of the good parts here. We'll come back and see where they'll start taking out the slides and a whole lot more. Alright, we're back here another day with the Cherokee. And look, we got some things missing. The whole slide out is gone. So we can see right into the unit here. We got everything propped up, and so we're gonna go find the slide. See the work they're doing. Already see some debris here. Look over here, we got the slide out. Looks like we'll have to redo a whole wall there. So, put in a new floor. Going all out on this thing. Alright, come out and see more work being done. Okay, we come back out to see some more of the work being done. We got Mike here, the nail gun. He's gluing the plywood together to make a nice 1-inch thick flooring. So making sure this thing is solid. Build a new floor for the slide out here. This unit's gonna be really nice when we're done with it. Alright, we're back with the Cherokee here. And we got some of our guys working. And they're doing the slide out here. And show just spraying down the glue. Seals this thing up good. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it looks like a bunch of silly string they're spraying. So they're having fun with it. So you spray it on the siding here and on the wood. Things coming together. So we got the floor here. Alright. Come back and see more of the work being done. Alright. Back here another day with the Cherokee. You see this slide outs coming together. Putting in the floor. Still doing some repairs. Mike's about to roll another layer of glue on. Make sure this thing is nice and sealed. Working on the top right now. Alright, come over to this side here and take a look. Work being done. Look on the inside. Unit's going to be really nice. I'm going to take a step up here. Alright. Making this unit look good. Making sure that thing seals nice and tight. No air bubbles. Alright, we'll come back and take another look. Alright. Came back to look as they tore out the inside here. You see there. Making sure all the wood is good. Putting some resealant on it. There's all the bad board. There's the installation. So we'll be replacing all that. We'll make sure this is good to go. Alright. All the debris, how bad that is there. Make a whole new one. Come back and take a look. Okay, we're back outside with the Cherokee here. And you see, slide outs back in the unit. I wanted to show you the outside here of what we're working on. As you see right here, we're putting in some more installation, getting that patched up, making that so when it stays cool inside, and when you need it to be warm, it'll stay warm inside. I'll walk around the side here, and you look right here. We've increased the size of the fiberglass on the side here. So now that it goes all the way down to the edge. It wasn't like this when it came in. You were actually able to see the floor, which when the water came down, That's what started ruining the floor, causing water damage. And we'll walk back over the other side and see it's been done on both sides here. See, they're still finishing this one off. They're making it nice and solid. Then we'll be adding the trim, making this unit look good. Okay, we're stepping inside now. I see the inside. Look how nice that's looking. It's got the trim on the bottom there. Got the carpet put in. It's looking really good. We're going to take a look at the bedroom. This is the next part. You see they've already removed the bed. Now they're going to be taking out this slide out and doing some repairs, fixing the floor, making this unit sturdy, nice, and no water damage. Alright, now that slide out's been pulled out for the bedroom, and we took a look inside there where the bed's been taken out and all that. I wanted to come back to the living room slide here, and remember I pointed out that we extended the fiberglass to go all the way to the bottom, and I wanted to show you that on the bedroom slide here where it hadn't been done yet. And you can see there it is right there. There's the floor, and there's where the side starts. So all this water, this thing ain't waterproof at all. So all this, I don't know if you can hear it in the camera here, but it's rotten. So we got to do a whole new floor, and then Mike will do the same thing and extend the fiberglass to go all the way to the bottom with the new floor. Come back and see the next update. Okay. Came back out here to take a quick look at the tear down of this slide out. I wanted to show you how bad the water damage is. Look at that. All that is rotten, destroyed. It looks, see that? It's ridiculous. Coming apart like it's nothing. I just have to replace the wood here on the side. Get this slide out redone. That was a quick look there at the damage there. We'll come on back here. Alright, we're back with the slide out here, and as you see, the floor is gone. We've redone the side here, got some new wood in there, reinforcement. Make sure all the good wood stayed, and put in new wood. Got a nice frame there. Make sure all the walls are good. And then over here, we got the new floor. See, this is the bottom. See, remember seeing on the old clip, this was the bottom of the floor. And then on our next clip, we'll see the new floor put in. Alright, this was just a short clip here showing the new floor. Okay, come back out here to see what's been done with our slide out here. As you see, the new floor has been put on to the bedroom slide here. And he's working on putting the siding back on. You see, this is going to get extended all the way to the end here. You can already see where he's already put the board so that he can extend it all the way. And when you see, when I press on here, or if you can hear it, that is solid. Not like when I pressed on the old one and my hand was sinking into it. So put in a new installation over here. So next time we come out and take a look, it's going to have the siding back on. It's going to go all the way to the end of the floor. And it'll probably be put back into the unit. Alright, let's come back and take a look. Okay, back with the Cherokee. And as I mentioned on our last clip there, we would get the slide in back in and start doing side paneling. As you see what they're doing here, he's putting the bolts in, clamp it down to the rack. And we always have a person there to back them up and making sure nothing tilts. You know, that thing's on there pretty steady now. We always have people watching their back. And then, so we get this back in, we'll get the bed back in, put together, and we'll come out and take a look at the finished product. Okay, we're back at our final look at the Cherokee here. It's back on the lot, out of our service center. You see both slides look absolutely beautiful. Take one last look out here. You see it's going all the way down to the bottom, so rain ain't gonna get to those floors. Same on the other side here. It's going all the way down to the bottom. Protect those floors. I want to walk around, take a final look at the inside here. Alright, stepping inside. Look at this. It's looking really nice in here. No sign of any water damage. Brand new floor. Nice and solid. Furniture back in. Step on back here and see if I can show you a view of the whole place. Take a look at that. Need a nice place to stay. We have a unit here for you. Step back here in the bedroom. The bed's back in. Everything's where it's supposed to be. Down there. Got the awning, the plug in for the lamps. Everything looks beautiful. Nice new sturdy floors in these slide-ins. This unit's ready for its new owner. And that was the final look here at our Cherokee. Looking for a nice little home. Nice little summer home, winter home. Come check us out here at RV Swap Shop. This Cherokee's ready for a new owner. Thank you very much.